that metallic that's in it.
Yeah. Do for a living. So I own this shop right here that we customize cars. So I'm Nick, nice to meet you. Eric. We do a bunch of like paint protection film and spoiler work and everything like that. So pretty much everything you can think of on exotic cars, man. You can go take a picture if you want to. It's not every day you see one Lambo, but you see two, right? Should we keep the C8 emblem off the front, the Chevy emblem, or should we put it back on? If it was yours, would you leave it on or off? Let us know in the comments. So we also, guys, don't forget, we service a bunch of Lamborghinis. We have a ton of Lamborghini parts, Ferrari parts. This is actually a full carbon Performante style spoiler. We just got in. This is actually gonna be going on the blue Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. We took it out of the box. Everything looks absolutely phenomenal on this. Love that traditional carbon twill on it. The client chose to go with traditional carbon twill. You'll see on his race seats that he has the carbon, not the forged carbon. So we wanted it to match. So we did the traditional carbon on this one instead of the forged. A lot of you guys have seen us do the forged carbon Performante style spoilers before. But this client chose to do the regular carbon. I think it looks great. So right here, Wallace is using some vinyl tape to actually mask this off, kind of like pinstripe vinyl tape, fine line stuff. And then he's masking this portion here. That way we keep the rear reflector white. We're gonna smoke this area, smoke these, smoke these. It's gonna look really good when we're finished. Y'all stay tuned. So this one we just finished wrapping the roof on. This one also got the front clip paint protection film, quintessential on a vehicle like this. We are putting the Corvette emblem right back on the front, but the whole front clip actually was installed. Gonzalo did a great job on this one. I don't know, guys, but before I saw this one, I would have said that black was my favorite color on C8. The white itself looks sick on this car. It just needs a carbon fiber hood on it to match the carbon fiber body kit. 70th anniversary though. Tyler's doing a paint correction on it right now in a ceramic coating. The best in the biz. Killing it. This car is a great change of pace for him because last week this dude was like 120 hours deep in a red car that he resurrected from the depths of hell and turned his whole body. He's still a little pink. Is that your natural color? I don't know. It's even a little pink there. The 70th anniversaries, guys, have this white interior. It looks freaking sick. If y'all want to know where that secret sauce is, it's not the man, it's the tool. Just kidding. Tons of people have roops, but it never comes out like this. Tyler does a great job, guys. As many passes as he needs. This thing's gonna look like better than the factory. 99% of cars that come to us, we make look better than the factory because there is zero quality standard, even at Lamborghini sometimes, and Ferrari. This is a slick looking C8, man. The design pattern here, guys, we chose to go with a little bit more sharper of a line, and the line actually, as you can tell with the curve, it blends right in to this portion. So this is carbon flash. We went gloss black here, and this is actually a pearl white paint. It's not just a regular white. Our friend Tri in Houston actually has a Aventador with the SVJ package on it, and it looks very similar to this car. That's the reason why I mentioned it needs a carbon hood. I do like it without the emblem on the front though. Guys, what do you think? Should we keep the C8 emblem off the front, the Chevy emblem, or should we put it back on? If it was yours, would you leave it on or off? Let us know in the comments. This thing's got carbon mirrors. That's not carbon paint protection film, that's paint protection film over the carbon. But the carbon package that came on this C8 is really nice. It came with that front splitter, the front portion here, the side skirts, the carbon mirror caps. I wish that was carbon, but at some point, I'm sure that client's gonna consider that. And of course the high wing spoiler in carbon as well. These C8s are growing on me. We gotta stop working on them. I believe there's still something right here, Mr. Wallace.
There's gotta be another screw.
It's right here, Bubba. See it on the side?
Yeah.
Right there. That's what I'm saying. Like, what?
We'll be able to sneak it in there.
Yeah, we can sneak it in there, bro. Like, see what we got going on here.
Let's watch it.
Yeah, backwards. No, throw it in neutral, we'll push you out. Hold on. I gotta get my footing, hold on.
Careful with these little antennas. There's some sensor when you drill. Gotta take it off. Make sure you don't hit anything crazy. Good to know. Good to know.
Yes, sir.
So what are you're marking here?
Yeah.
I see.
Make sure it's really good.
Because otherwise it would fall.
Back in the days, like people weren't modding these cars a lot. And a lot of people were scared. All the little storytellers. So I guess now that everybody has media, they're confident now. They're changing oils now. Back in the days, it was like, oh, only the dealerships are
right. Now everybody knows how to do everything.
Yeah, you got a lot more data.
Yeah. So I think there's been, the good thing about this is we won't.
What?
Special.
Oh, nice.
They're expensive from Matco, but they're worth it.
Is that bracket in that area or is that bracket there?
This one doesn't have anything on there. Yeah. This one probably has a little module behind it.
It looks like that silver bracket.
Oh, okay, well, it's gonna be right here.
Yeah. I'm sure whenever they engineered that, they did.
Yeah, just double checking. So, I'll take it out.
Get that bottom one in too.
That ain't long enough.
That looks good too.
I do too, but do you think it looks like kind of like a juggernaut? Which I was like, I kind of get that. But still,
We had to adjust it and bring it the base plate forward because there was a gap.
I see.
There's a gap actually in where the portion of that bonnet actually meets back where the engine.
Right, gotcha. Beautiful.
So Wallace is buttoning up the Lambo Huracan Evo spoiler. He's got his tricks. Tricks. So we're getting these here.
I don't know. Do you think it needs one?
Don't tell me that doesn't look sick.
It looks so nice. Dude, that color in the sun.
That color is nasty, dude. I love it. So that car actually won't go into drive unless you close the door. It's been stuck there for a good 2 minutes. All right, now you can put it in drive and take off. That's funny.
That spoiler is looking awesome. All right, blue or orange, decide right now.
I like the orange.
You heard it here first.
I just think it's hard to compete with that metallic that's in it.
Yeah.
It's just,
But
I
this,
mean, it
this
is
is still,
but
it's still
you
insane.
know, like, I don't know. That just looks great, man, to me.
So we're out here on site. Just finished up with the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider right here. Again, guys, this is stock paint, matte paint. The services that we completed today, we did the Performante style spoiler. You guys saw a little bit of that installation. I think it looks amazing. If you have an exotic car, big wang gang, you need a big spoiler. Or you could have just very subtle like this. You know, I mean, blah. Just kidding. Great line still with the traditional duckbill from the factory. Looks great. But you'll be able to see the stark differences with the spoiler and this one. It's what we do for a living. So I own this shop right here that we customize cars. So I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. Eric. They're both, this one's a 23 Huracan and this one's a 21 Huracan Evo.
Badass, dude.
Yeah, we do a bunch of like paint protection film and spoiler work and everything like that. So pretty much everything you can think of on exotic cars, man. You can go take a picture if you want to. It's not every day you see one Lambo, but you see two, right?
No, in like good color.
Hey, look at that, man. His inner part of his jacket actually matches the Lambo. What? You spoke it into existence today, bud. It's all good, dude. I'm still rocking Stone Age Droid, you know what I mean? So.